Hey, hey! I am looking a hot mess this morning. I have my disguise on, my hat, my sunglasses, jackets, you name it. Today is Monday and I am heading to the gym. I've done a few things this morning, like putting an offer together for one of my real estate clients. I am obviously taking care of Erilyn, doing my meal prep this morning, and now heading to the gym. And by the way, tonight is my second posing class, so I'm definitely looking forward to that. And I'm also looking forward to getting home and at some point, get ready, because I'm not looking cute right now. Here I am in Natick, Massachusetts. I'm about 2 minutes away from the location, and tonight is day 2 of our group posing class. I'm looking forward to that today. I've gum in my mouth, sorry. I am looking forward to it though. We're learning 2 additional poses, which will make a total of 4. I'm not sure if for this it's only 4 or there's more. I think there's more, but right now we're just doing 2 at a time, I guess. Marilyn's with her daddy, and I actually fed her before I left. I fed myself and I fed her. So she's all set. And also, since she turned 4, we've been giving her solids for dinner. So her daddy will be giving her probably sweet potato or some carrots for dinner. Let's see if I find part. Oh, there's one right here. Ooh, I'm good. Heading to the studio now.
And for some of you, it's eating too much, eating more than you're supposed to. But diet doesn't mean that you're eating less or eating more. Diet means structure. You eat a certain amount of food, a certain amount of time, and you have to do that. What's going to change your body from now, 12 weeks from now, until 12 weeks from now, is exactly the timing that you're eating, the amount that you're eating, and the frequency. It's structure. That's what boils down to that. Your body's going to change just by doing structure, doing right structure, as it is. I'm not asking you not to eat. I'm asking you not to eat during 3 hours. That's what I'm asking. I'm not asking you to starve. But the reason why you're hungry is because your body's burning fat. So once again, if you're feeling hungry, that's a good sign. That means you're burning fat. Don't complain. Start to enjoy that. Like, oh, wow. I'm not asking you to not eat the whole day. I'm asking you not to put anything in your mouth for how long?
3 hours.
That's all. And if you look at it that way, it's not that bad. I'm not starving the whole day. I'm just starving every 3 hours, which is a good thing. However, when your body really becomes in tune is when you eat at 12 o'clock. Time goes by, and next thing you know, you don't feel anything, you don't feel hungry, and next thing you know, like, fuck, damn, I'm hungry. It's exactly 3 hours. Your body learned that from 12 to 3. You got the food in, it went away from food, it has no more food, and stop burning your fat. It didn't make you feel hungry anymore. But then they can't burn their fat anymore. It says, dude, okay, give me a break. I need some food. And that's exactly that 3 hours. When you get that point, that means you're really burning calories. That's a good sign. Okay? And again, if you get up in the morning very hungry. So I'm not asking you to starve yourself to death. I'm asking you to just hold on that 3 hours so your body can burn the fat and can feed your body again. Understand that? It's very important, guys. And that's consistency. That's structure. You gotta put structure on your life. And that's the same thing with training so forth. Okay? We're learning 3 and 4. So 1 and 2, much better than last week. Oh, stretch your back if you have to. Oh. So 1 and 2, you guys getting better. Not there yet. We'll keep on practicing. We're gonna do 3 and 4 now. Okay? Which is much. We're going to point both feet to the left a little bit. As you do that, let your body turn to the left all the way. And look what we're going to do right now in the mirror. I'm just going to go back it up. Okay? Your knees got to be locked. And now, listen. Go back to A-frame. Fit to the left. Fit to the left. A little bit. And as the feet go to the left, your body automatically is going to turn to the left, right? Turn as much as you can. Stop right there. Here now, I just want to back up my booty. Both legs are straight. What I'm doing is right now is backing up my booty in my upper body. I'm not doing this. I'm doing, look, this. All right? And from that point now, I just going to put my hand on the left hip. Left hip. This hand on the left hip. And you're going to keep my booty down. I'm going to bring my chest sideways. Now let's stop there right now. Slightly out. Go ahead. So, back it up. See how I back it up and keep your chest up. And go forward. See what happens here now? And you can have your hands like that. Or it can be straight back like that. Shoulder down. Okay? You have a choice. Here, relax. But never this way. So, relax this way. We can do your hands right there. Okay? Very good. Head straight.
Não.
Tampar todinho, retinho, todo retinho. Isso. Ou slightly this way. Okay, as much as you can sideways. Left hand, stay there. Left hand in your hip. Stay here now. Stay here. Turn everything forward now. And stop